Let's be honest, we all know the feeling of waking up stiff or dealing with that lingering ache after a long day. Maybe you've seen turmeric in the spice aisle or heard friends rave about golden milk and wondered, is this just another trend or is there real science behind the hype? The truth is, turmeric's benefits go far deeper than most people realize. Today, we're taking a science-backed journey inside your body to reveal exactly what happens when you consume turmeric daily and how it might be your secret weapon against the invisible threats of modern life, including the rise of microplastics. For centuries, turmeric has been prized in traditional medicine, especially in India, where it's a staple in Ayurvedic healing. Its vibrant yellow color comes from its most important active compound, curcumin. Modern research now confirms what ancient healers suspected. Curcumin is a powerhouse. It's loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But here's a fact that surprises many. Curcumin, by itself, is hard for the body to absorb. In fact, if you ate turmeric by the spoonful, most of its goodness would pass right through you, barely touching your bloodstream. But science has found a way around this. The key to unlocking turmeric's full potential lies in two kitchen companions, black pepper and healthy fats. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural substance that boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Imagine piperine as a helpful friend, holding the door open so more curcumin can get into your system. At the same time, curcumin loves to dissolve in fat. So when you eat turmeric with olive oil, avocado, or coconut milk, you're giving it a smooth ride into your bloodstream. That's why traditional curries, made with both black pepper and rich oils, are such an effective delivery system for turmeric's healing power. Once curcumin enters your bloodstream, its first mission is to take on inflammation. Inflammation is the body's way of sounding the alarm when something goes wrong, whether it's an injury, infection, or long-term stress. But sometimes, that alarm gets stuck in the on position, leading to chronic inflammation. This low-level, persistent fire in your body has been linked to a host of health problems: arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even depression. Curcumin fights inflammation at the source. It blocks a molecule known as NF-κB, which acts almost like a switch for genes that trigger inflammation. By turning down this switch, curcumin helps calm the body's inflammatory response. In clinical studies, people with osteoarthritis who took curcumin supplements reported less pain and better mobility, sometimes with results rivaling standard anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the same side effects. But curcumin's talents don't stop there. Every day, our cells are bombarded by unstable molecules called free radicals. These troublemakers are byproducts of everything from pollution to stress, and they damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes, a process called oxidative stress. Over time, this can accelerate aging and fuel disease. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant able to neutralize free radicals thanks to its unique chemical structure. Even more impressively, it triggers your body's own antioxidant defense system by activating a pathway called RF2. This pathway tells your cells to ramp up the production of their own protective enzymes, like glutathione, sometimes called the master antioxidant. It's like giving your body an upgraded security system and a team of extra guards. So where do microplastics fit into this story? In recent years, scientists have discovered that tiny plastic particles, invisible to the naked eye, are making their way into our water, food, and bodies. While we don't yet know all the long-term effects, early studies suggest microplastics can cause inflammation and oxidative stress in our organs, potentially leading to tissue damage and even disrupting hormone balance. Here's the crucial point. No studies have shown that turmeric or curcumin can remove microplastics from your body. They can't break down these particles or flush them out. But what curcumin can do, according to the latest research, is help protect your cells from the damage microplastics cause. Animal studies show that when microplastics trigger inflammation and oxidative stress, curcumin can step in to reverse some of the tissue damage and restore balance. Think of it as a shield, not a vacuum cleaner. It can't get rid of the invaders, but it can help you withstand their attack. Turmeric's benefits extend to nearly every system in the body. For your heart, curcumin supports the endothelium, a thin layer of cells lining your blood vessels, crucial for healthy circulation. In a 2012 clinical study, patients recovering from heart surgery who took curcumin had a 65% lower risk of having a heart attack in the hospital. That's a remarkable difference. In the brain, curcumin may boost memory and mood. A UCLA study found that adults with mild memory loss who took a highly absorbable curcumin supplement for 18 months saw a 28% improvement in memory tests. Brain scans showed less buildup of the plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease. Scientists believe this is due to curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in brain tissue. For your joints, the evidence is strong. Multiple studies confirm that turmeric extracts can reduce pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis, sometimes as effectively as common painkillers. Unlike many pharmaceuticals, turmeric doesn't come with the risk of stomach ulcers or kidney problems. So, how can you add turmeric to your daily routine? Most studies use between 500 and 2,000 milligrams of turmeric extract per day, often divided into 2 doses. For general wellness, simply cooking with turmeric, adding it to soups, stews, rice, or smoothies can make a difference. Just remember to add a pinch of black pepper and a drizzle of healthy fat to maximize absorption. But a word of caution: while turmeric is safe for most, high doses from supplements can cause stomach upset, nausea, or diarrhea. If you're on blood thinners, have gallbladder issues, or take medications for diabetes or high blood pressure, check with your doctor before starting a turmeric supplement. So, what really happens if you consume turmeric every day? You're giving your body a time-tested, science-backed ally. Turmeric, powered by curcumin, goes to work calming chronic inflammation, beefing up your antioxidant defenses, supporting your heart and brain, and even shielding you from the cellular havoc of microplastics. It's not a magic cure, but it's a powerful tool in your wellness arsenal, one that's as close as your spice rack. If you're ready to take small, meaningful steps toward better health, consider making turmeric a part of your daily routine. Share your favorite way to use turmeric and help others discover the power of this golden spice. Remember, sometimes the biggest transformations start with the simplest ingredients.